let's do unboxing of this Dyson vacuum cleaner, and we'll put it to work. Instructions, how to assemble, how to charge, get started, detach and remove, size and counts. We have here we have different brushes, a smaller brush and a bigger brush. It's kind of different shape. Tip, we have this elbow. The tiny brush. Little brush. While he's opening, I have instructions here. This explains how to install the charger. One more brush, different shape, and the bristles are pretty soft. Extendable.
Ой, тут как вымыть.
На той стороне.
Yes.
Either this one or that one. So it depends what you want to do. This is interesting. It has a brush and inside another piece. So, and this piece has adjusting button. Get to using that one. This is cute stuff. Love it. The big one, yeah.
Oh, charging.
This is the charger. This is the charger. This is the charging. This is something you would attach to the wall and hook up the vacuum cleaner to get charged. And finally we got to the heart of it. Nice suction.
Oh, that.
Click, yes. Okay. And to release, you would press the red button and pull. Now let's connect this main part. Same thing. Oh, yay! So the trash collects in here, and then you can disconnect and discard. And then it has information. What kind of information that is? So I will go ahead and charge, and then we'll try using in different settings, different brushes in different corners and areas and whatnot. We have some mess on the table. I want to see how well it's gonna do. Smaller brush. Yeah, overall I think it did perfect. It was pulling so hard that it was getting stuck on the other side of the brushes, but overall it did pretty well. Honestly, I never knew we had so much dust and dirt in our carpet. I am impressed with this vacuum cleaner's performance. So to empty out the trash, like I was saying, you take the tube off and basically pull this red thing down and it opens up, and you just shake off all the dust and dirt out and close it. That's about it. For the battery, if your battery is dead, just take off the battery part and plug it in to charge, or like we have it installed on the wall, you can just hang the whole vacuum cleaner. We love it and totally recommend it.